Hi, welcome to T2G channel. நம்ம இந்த வீடியோக்குள்ள போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க. இன்னைக்கு என்ன வீடியோ பார்க்க போறோம்னா 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் செகண்ட் மிட்டம் டெஸ்டோட இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ் 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks questions பார்க்க போறோம். First 2 marks question. First one, does the Rolle's theorem is applicable for the function f of x equal to modulus 1 by x belongs to minus 1 comma 1. Justify your answer. Next one, find the critical number for the function f of x equal to x2 by 3. Next one, a circular plate expands uniformly under the influence of heat if its radius increases from 10.5 cm to 10.75 cm. Then find an approximate change in the area. Next one, calculate tau f by tau x and tau f by tau y for the function f x comma y is equal to tan minus 1 x by y. Next one, test the point of inflection for the function f of x equal to x power 4. Next one, a thermometer was taken from a freezer and placed in a boiling water. It took 22 seconds for the thermometer to rise from minus degree 10 Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. Show that the rate of change of temperature at some time t is 5 degree Celsius per second. Next one, evaluate limb x arrow 0 x log x. Next one, find TF for f of x equal to x squared plus 3x and evaluate it for x equal to 2 and dx equal to 0.1. Next one, evaluate integral 0 pi to sin 10x dx. Next one, if the volume of a cube side length x is v is equal to x3, find the rate of change of the volume with respect to x when x equal to 5 units. Next one, let g of x comma y is equal to 2y plus x squared comma x equal to 2r minus s comma y is equal to r squared plus 2s comma r comma s belongs to r. Find tau g by tau r. Next one, evaluate integral 03 3x squared minus 4x plus 5 dx. Next one, evaluate integral pi by 2 0 sin squared x plus cos 4x dx. Next one, prove that the function f of x equal to x squared minus 2x minus 3 is straightly increasing in to infinite. Next one, using linear approximation, find the value of 3 square root of 20x. Next, evaluate x comma y lim 0 comma 0 cos x cube plus y cube divided by x plus y plus 2 if the limit exists. Next one, evaluate integral 0 pi by 2 cos 7x dx. Next, find the value of integral infinite 0 x 5 e minus 3x dx. Next one, evaluate integral 3x squared minus 4x plus 5 dx. Next one, in an algebraic structure, show that identify element is unique. Next one, determine whether star is a binary appreciation on or defined by a star b is equal to a root of b. Next one, if the mass m of x in kilograms of a thin rod of length x in meters is given by m of x root 3x, then what is the rate of change of mass with respect to the length when it's x equal to 3 and x equal to 27 meters? Next one, if limb 0 arrow 0 1 minus cos m theta divided by 1 minus cos n theta is equal to 1, then prove that m is equal to plus or minus n. Next one, find the linear approximation for f of x equal to root of 1 plus x comma x greater than is equal to minus 1 80 x 0 is equal to 3. Use the linear approximation to estimate of f 3.2. Next one, show that f of x minus y is equal to x square plus 5xy minus 10y square divided by 3x plus 7y is a homogeneous function of degree 1. So, இதில கொடுத்திருக்க 25 2 marks question நல்லா prepare பண்ணிக்கங்க. Next 3 mark question. First one, evaluate limb x is 0 1 by x minus 1 by e minus 1. Next one, find the Cartesian equation of the plan passing through the three non-collinear points a comma 0 comma 0 b 0 comma b comma 0 and c 0 comma 0 comma c. question, the time t taken for a complete oscillation of a single pendulum with length I is given by the equation t is equal to 2 by root of L by G, where G is a constant. Find the approximate percentage error in the calculate value of t corresponding to an error of 2% in the value of I. Next question, w x comma y comma z is equal to xy plus yz plus zx, x equal to u minus v. Next, y is equal to uv, z is equal to u plus v, comma u comma v belongs to, or find tau w divided by tau u, comma tau w divided by tau v. Next question, expand tan x in ascending powers of x up to 5th power for minus pi by 2 less than x less than pi by 2. Next one, compute the value of c satisfied by the Rolle's theorem for the function f of x equal to x squared 1 minus x squared, comma x belongs to 0, comma 1. Next, write the Maclaurin series expansion of cos x. Next one, show the percentage error in the nth root of a number is approximately 1 by n times the percentage error in the number. Next one, if u x comma y comma z is equal to log x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Next, find tau u divided by tau x plus tau u divided by tau y plus tau u divided by tau z. Next one, write the Maclaurin series expansion of the function f of x equal to sin x. Next one, find the local extremum of the function f of x equal to x power 4 plus 32x. Next one, use the linear approximation to find an approximate value of root of 9.2 without using calculator. Next one, if u x comma y is equal to x squared y plus 3xy4 comma x equal to et and sin, find du divided by dt and evaluate it at t is equal to 0. Next one, evaluate integral pi by 3 0 sec x tan x divided by 1 plus x squared x dx. Next one, evaluate lim x arrow 1 x squared minus 3x plus 2 divided by x squared minus 4x plus 3. Next one, the radius of the sphere decreases by 0.1 centimeter when its radius is 10 centimeter. Find the approximate change in the volume of sphere. Next one, if f of x comma y is equal to x ey plus 3x squared y, find fx and fy. Next one, evaluate integral 3 to root of x divided by root of 5 minus x plus root of x dx. Next one, using the integration, find the volume of your cone if the radius of the cone is r centimeter and height is h centimeter. Next one, show that PRQ and QRP are not equivalent. Next one, assuming log 10 theta is equal to 0.4343, find the approximate value of log 10 1003. Next one, find the intervals of monotonicity and hence find the local extreme for the function f of x equal to x2 by 3. Next one, an egg of particular bird is very nearly spherical. If the radius to the inside of the shell is 5 mm and radius to the outside of the shell is 5.3 mm. Find the volume of the shell approximately. Next one, wx comma y is equal to x cube minus 3xy plus 2y squared comma x comma y comma belongs to R. Find the linear approximation for w at 1 comma minus 1. Next, prove using mean value theorem that modulus sin alpha minus sin beta less than equal to modulus alpha minus beta comma alpha comma beta comma belongs to R. So total 25 3 marks இருக்கு. இந்த 3 marks எல்லாம் நல்லா prepare பண்ணிக்கங்க. Next 5 marks question. First one, a particle moves along a line according to the law S of t is equal to 2t cube minus 90 squared plus 12t minus 4, where greater than is equal to 0. At what times the particle changes direction? Next, find the total distance traveled by the particle in the first 4 seconds. Next, find the particle acceleration each time the velocity is 0. Next question, a ladder 17 meter long in leaning against the wall. The base of the ladder is pulled away from the wall at a rate of 5 meters per second when the base of the ladder is 8 meters from the wall. How fast is the top of the ladder moving down the wall? Next, at what rate the area of the triangle formed by the ladder wall and the floor is changing? Next one, prove that the ellipse x square plus 4y square is equal to 8 and the Next question. Prove that the ellipse x squared plus 4y squared is equal to 8 and the hyperbola x squared minus 2y squared is equal to 4 intersect orthogonally. Next one. Find the intervals of monotonicity and local extrema for the function f of x equal to 4x cubed plus 3x squared minus 6x plus 1. Next one. Find the vector equation and Cartesian equation of the plane passing through the points 2, 2, 1. Next 9, 3, 6 and perpendicular to the plane 2x plus 6x plus 6 is equal to 9. Next one, find the linear approximation for f of x equal to cube root of x equal to 27. Use the linear approximation to estimate f of 27.2. Next one, if u is equal to sine minus 1 x plus y divided by root of x plus root of y, show that x tau u divided by tau x plus y tau u divided by tau y is equal to 1 by 2 tan u. Next one, important question is it. Next one, prove that the equation of a tangent at the point x1, y1 to the given curve x2 by 3, y2 by 3 is equal to a2 by 3. A greater than 0 is x divided by x 1 by 3 1 plus y 1 by 3 1 is equal to a2 by 3. Next one, find the angle between the curves y is equal to x squared and x equal to y squared at their points of intersection 0, 0 and 1, 1. Next one, find the equation of tangent and normal to curve given by x equal to 7 cos t and y is equal to 2 sin it t belongs to R at any point on the curve. Next one, evaluate limit x infinite 1 plus 1 by x. Next one, sketch the curve y is equal to f of x equal to x squared minus x minus x. Next one, let f of x equal to root of square root of x. Find the linear approximation at x equal to 27. Use the linear approximation to approximate 327.2. Next one, evaluate infinite 3 by 8 by 8 1 by 1 plus root of tan x dx. Next one, find the area of the region bounded between the parabolas y squared is equal to 4x and x squared is equal to 4y. Next one, find the angle between y is equal to x squared and y is equal to x minus 3 the whole squared. Next one, find the area of the region bounded between the parabola y squared is equal to 4ax and its lattice rectum. Next one, evaluate infinity alpha 0 f of x divided by f of x plus f of a minus x dx. Next one, a sphere is made of ice having radius 10 cm. Its radius decreases from 10 cm to 98 cm. Find approximation for the following. Next, change in the volume, change in the surface area. Next one, prove that among all the rectangles of the given area square has the least perimeter. Next one, if wx comma y is equal to xy plus sin xy, then prove that tau square w divided by tau x tau y is equal to tau square w tau y tau x. Next one, if u x comma y comma z is equal to xy squared z cube x sin t y is equal to cos z is equal to 1 plus e 2t find tu divided by tt. Next one, show that the value of infinitive pi by 4 0 log 1 plus tan x tx equal to pi by 2 log 2. Next, find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y squared is equal to x and the line y is equal to x minus 2. Next one, find the volume of the conic y is equal to log x whose area bounded between the lines x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2 revolves around y is equal to y minus is. Next one, PRO QVR is equal to PV QVR. Prove this statement using truth table. Next one, verify closure property, commutative property and associative property, existence of identity, B. Existence of inverse for the operation x11 on a subset A 1, 3, 4, 5, 9 of the set of parameters 0, 1, 2, 3 and 10. டோட்டலாக இதில் 35 மார்க்ஸ் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்குது. இந்த 35 மார்க்ஸ் கொஸ்டின்ஸையும் நல்லா ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஸோ டோட்டலாக இதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய 2 மார்க் 3 மார்க் அண்ட் 5 மார்க்ஸ் கொஸ்டினை நல்லா ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஸோ மார்க்ஸ் ஹையர் ஸ்கோர் பண்ண முடியும். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் யுவர் வாட்சிங்.